Hey, welcome back to another episode of 60 Second Sundays. I'm your host, Dan the Great, and in this episode, we're going to learn how to do the ride-on effect. Roll that intro. So adding this little transition effect or masking effect really steps up your videos a lot. So let's put 60 seconds on the clock, please. Get right into it. I'll just select a basic title here, drop it onto the timeline, and I will go up here and change this to maybe a font that looks like it could be handwritten. It's a little too big, we'll shrink that back down. Go to our effects browser and then type in mask. And just drop that mask effect right onto your text. Now once you do that, it's going to ask you to click to draw a control point. So I'm going to click a bunch of control points in a circle like so. And then now as I rummage through these clips, I want it to set a key point or a key mask. So I'm going to click back over here to my effects and controls, my basic title controls, and I'm going to click this control point to start masking out. Now every time I frame through this, so I want it to start right about there, right? So that's where I'm going to start keying in the mask. Is as my finger moves, I'm going to have to start moving it around to act like it's drawing. So I'm going to push right on the keyboard once, and I'm going to start drawing these out, and I'm going to fast forward through these clips. Every time I set one of these points, it's going to go ahead and set a keyframe for you. So the more points you have and the more time you spend on drawing this is what's going to make your mask effect. Okay, I'll go ahead and draw it off, finish it off here, and I'll go ahead and put the text back on top of the mask and then play the clip. Roll that intro. And there you have it. The more time you spend on creating more points or dots and then actually making those dots trace your finger, the more of a better effect and feel you're going to get. So that's it. Hope you learned something out of drawing this mask. You can do a lot with this. So hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. We'll see y'all in the next video.